Big Belly Sky Juices, professional media, the workers champion. For the hill, I'm afraid to say, the YouTube channel here are the biggest YouTube channel, Big Belly Sky Juices, the world class champion setup. Pick it up.
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Welcome back to the Delphi family, guys. So
yeah, guys.
We're on a mission today. I see all of us are out, so come with me now.
Yep. We're there, guys. So first time Kyrie I take on the hill. You see me?
Yeah.
We're gonna see how many minutes Kyrie can conquer the hill.
I think Sam can do it in the fastest time, but all the way. All you need to do, I learn how to run.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so come with me now.
Yeah, man.
We're on this fitness journey. So basically, guys, I started this keto challenge on Cassida's life. So go over there and check it out and make sure say if you're gonna start this challenge that you let me know in the comment section.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, let me know in the comment section. So this is a part of it too. I mean, you have to get in the exercise and all them things there. So we're taking on the hill this morning. So come with you now.
Hey Jay, you afraid of the dogs? The dog they're not paying no mind. Another crew here, you know. Another crew here.
What I run. If you run them, I run it down. Baby.
Yes.
One more, you know, but I run neither. Okay? No running.
Yeah.
You know, say, dog love.
Love pitney. So one more year I run past. And Jaden.
Business, you know. But Jaden just, you know what I mean? When no one say run, that's it. Now what I run. Especially boy pit me and man always have trouble dogs. So them always rush them.
So Kyrie reached my all the way up on me. My chin here now in this thing here.
True, you know?
Yeah.
I realize.
Him so black off my face.
Careful.
Bye. That extra 20 odd pound here when me I carry.
Oh, is that?
Ooh.
It's just in.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
Resistance there. But you know how me gonna manage around the bend there. That steep part there.
Well, let's put it this way. You're walking, you're basically doing sprinting with 20 pounds, 20 odd pounds, 20 pounds.
Say hi, Kai. Kyrie, say hi to the guys. Kyrie, say hi to the guys. Oh, jeez.
What's about feed the dog?
Dog, I'm not seeing you, Jaden.
Dog, you're down this way now.
Dog, I'm not seeing you. Oh, God. Hey, my boss already, you know?
Yeah. Well, guess what? This is the first time in
long time
that we've gone up this hill. So, I'm gonna expect to do it in a quick time. I'm gonna take my time and do it. I remember I used to do it in 16 minutes. And I don't know, I think I can do that now. So, I take my time.
Kyrie, how fast you gonna do it, you know? And Kyrie?
Kyrie, when nobody's you know, Kyrie have energy. I'm gonna walk him if you learn how to walk and run. And him good.
Come Jay, walk up.
I didn't. You people.
How is it, Kai? How is the hill? How the hill go on?
Kai just enjoying it and looking around. At the first Kai, you know, come on them kind of adventure here, you know. So you know, Kai just like look on the environment and I see what going on.
Alright, Kai. So we're gonna run. Here come. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
Time to get the focus on. Your people. Guys, we're on it now. Hi. Slowly taking it on. Me myself, I'm slowly gonna do my thing. Those guys up there, them have more energy, them can do it more than me. Me I go and do what me can do in the fastest possible time. So I'm not try to get too, you know, worked up this trip. Me I go and warm up, you know. I go and warm up.
Start lean up there already. See, they're already, guys. It's so steep, you know. It's so very steep. Kyrie. One beat of stress. Hey, Kyrie, apply the pressure, you know, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez. Kyrie, I enjoy the ride. Okay? You enjoying it? Whew.
Flat stretch, I land, my foot get tired.
What is it?
On the flat stretch, I land, my foot get tired.
Your foot get tired on the flat? Not on the hill? You didn't come on.
We have one bad stretch now, you know, guys.
We're about to go up the steep hill. But Jaden just remind me, say, the first time I come up that hill, you know, I tell you, guys, he did rough for me, you know. Him say, remember the first time I come up the hill? I used to stop.
And lean up.
One time people might end up on my bottom. So it's rough. We're not going too bad then, Adrian.
Yeah.
So I'm still a walk and still have something to give, you know.
Still, guys.
Yeah.
So the steep incline. Alright, go on now. Yes, Jaden. That's treacherous, you know, guys. And this is even the steepest part. The steepest part then near the end. Here we go. Kyrie, how the steep section? How the steep section? Huh? How's it? Hey. Hey. Ui.
Getting that sweat in, guys. Getting that sweat in. Yeah. So the boys them there. Guys, them gonna lead. It's a good feeling, you know. You're out in nature, so nice cool breeze. Place bush up, so we get a lot more shade than the usual. Probably just the time of year where the sun does not come out too early. But yeah, feel good. Feel good.
It's not.
Tired?
It's not up.
How do you feel?
Your shoes not up.
How do you feel?
Hey, I just say never tight. Ui.
What this one do?
Because you're not pull it properly when you take it off. When you go football. Don't.
I'm tight for you.
The other one not up. Nice. A good camping trail, listen. Heading to the summit, guys.
Yeah, we don't know what we're right this in about. Y'all right. We're almost there. We're heading to the top.
If you can see it, and the sun coming from that direction.
There's a pole right there.
Yeah, up there, so. Yeah.
We just conquer.
Come, Jay, we almost reach. We almost.
Just conquer the steepest part of the hill. Now go to the top.
Oh, you're more than a grunt, son.
Feeling it.
Jeez.
Almost there, you know? Keep the motivation going.
Wait, Daddy. A foot hurting.
We're heading there, guys. We're heading there.
What may I do, people? See you saying foot hurt him.
Okay, you tired yet? You tired yet? Okay.
Daddy, that part had the steep part.
Yeah.
See if I don't go.
Come on, son of babe. Yeah. We're at the summit. We're at the top. Yeah. Woo. We reach. We reach. Oh, the place bush up though.
Yeah.
Yes. Woo. Guys, normally when I come up here, I bounce off some push-up, crunches and all them things there, you know. But I've carried me this morning, so Cass, you and Jay enough to do the things them, you know. Yeah?
We just scam, you know.
No, man.
We are Kyrie.
Yeah.
Kyrie. Just take off Kyrie and pass him, man. Look at people. I try to get to pull a quick one, don't it? You can try to pull a quick one for the people.
Good.
Then it's gonna miss out on the restaurant.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're going down. We're going down. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished, right, Kyrie? You get your workout in? Okay? You got your workout in?
Can I get a full morning out of sun bunny? Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You guys, a big part of why we come up here. Alright? Just to enjoy this nice view. Alright? Yeah. Yes. Lovely view, guys.
Watch him.
Kyrie don't make a sound from morning.
No sound. Kyrie has done everything. He's very pleased. Kyrie like outside.
trip? Enjoy the trip?
Definitely enjoy.
Enjoy the trip. When he going out, we do just bathe him, feed him,
bed.
and him off to bed. If I try here, watch ya.
As usual,
Hey,
like,
good.
we know all love here, so. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already.
Yep.
Turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all.
Of course.
Give us a thumbs up for this video.
Yep.
And share our content with those you think may like it. And remember to binge watch.
Yep.
Alright? Love y'all.
Peace out, guys.
Bye, D Squad.